Welcome to Rome Tips. If you're enjoying this content, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview can be found in the description below. This video shares my personal experience using the tool. KeyBank.com stands as a prominent online platform dedicated to financial services. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools and resources designed to assist individuals in managing their finances effectively. KeyBank.com provides access to various banking services, including checking and savings accounts, as well as lending options like mortgages and personal loans. Furthermore, the platform offers investment services, allowing users to explore opportunities in stocks, bonds, and other investment vehicles. KeyBank.com also emphasizes financial education, offering articles, tutorials, and other resources to empower users in making informed financial decisions. The platform boasts a user-friendly interface, enabling seamless navigation and efficient account management. Security is a top priority for KeyBank.com, employing robust measures to safeguard user data and financial information. With its wide array of services and user-centric approach, KeyBank.com serves as a valuable online resource for individuals seeking to navigate the complexities of personal finance. It aims to provide a one-stop shop for all financial needs, from everyday banking to long-term investment planning. KeyBank.com also provides tools for budgeting and tracking expenses, helping users gain a clearer picture of their financial health. Through its mobile app, KeyBank.com extends its accessibility, allowing users to manage their finances on the go. Customer support is readily available through various channels, ensuring that users receive prompt assistance when needed. The platform continually evolves, incorporating new features and functionalities to enhance user experience and meet evolving financial needs. By leveraging technology and focusing on customer empowerment, KeyBank.com strives to simplify financial management and help individuals achieve their financial goals. Whether you're looking to open a new account, secure a loan, or plan for retirement, KeyBank.com offers a diverse range of services to support your financial journey. They provide personalized financial advice and planning services, tailoring strategies to individual circumstances and goals. Overall, KeyBank.com positions itself as a reliable and comprehensive online financial platform, catering to a broad spectrum of financial needs.